Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and if you're wondering how to enable your VPN and Opera web browser on iPhone, then this video is for you. Here's what you need to do in order to enable the free built-in VPN and Opera browser on your iPhone. So first up, you want to download the Opera browser. Of course, you want to go to your app store, then search up for Opera browser and install it. So open the app, you want to launch Opera on your iPhone and accept any setup prompts. Next is you want to go to your settings, tap the Opera logo, which is the O icon in the bottom right corner. Select Settings from the menu and then scroll down to the VPN option, which you want to toggle the switch to on. This step is optional, so you want to choose whether you want VPN active on all sites or only in private mode. You can also select virtual location like Optima, Europe, or Americas if available. So once all of that are done, you'll see the VPN badge in the address bar whenever it is active. So that's all on how to enable the free built-in VPN and Opera on your iPhone.